It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.